Hi, this is Shruti from D Company.
Hi, CG here. Hope you guys are doing well.
We already recruited some candidates for the position of pest control and security guards.
Currently, we have few more openings.
The first position is open for the GP doctors, and for this vacancy, they prefer female candidates from India. The salary package they are offering is 10,000 to 12,000 AED, and MOH license is also mandatory for the doctor. And the work location will be in Ajman.
Right now, two positions is open for female nurses with MOH license, and the work location is coming in Ajman, and the salary package is 4,000 to 5,000 AED.
And we need two receptionist candidates in a medical center. The work location will be in Ajman. And the salary package they are offering is 2,500 to 3,500. And the candidate should have experience in UA itself in clinic field or healthcare field also. And the candidate should be well aware about English and Hindi language. And Arabic is also an added advantage. Both females and male can apply for this position.
The next position is open for drivers, and we have five openings for the driver vacancy. The salary package is 2,000 plus overtime, accommodation, and visa. The work location is coming in Dubai. Candidates should have number 3 manual license and 1 year experience in UAE. Asians are preferred. The work location is coming in Dubai.
We do have five openings for the pest control position, and the salary package they are offering is 1,300 plus overtime, accommodation, transportation, and visa. Candidates who is below 35 and Indians, Nepalis are preferred for this position, and the candidate should have the capability of read and write English.
Next, we have five openings for nurse with DHA license. Salary package is 6,000 plus overtime and visa. The work location is in Dubai. Females are preferred for this position.
And the fourth position is for the telecaller. They are offering salary package of 2,000 to 2,500, and it is mandatory that the candidate should have residence visa or sponsorship visa. And for this position, they will not prefer visit visa candidates, and it is mandatory that the candidate should have same field of experience. And the work location is coming in Dubai. And the age category will be below 35, and the candidate should have excellent communication skill in English and Hindi.
Next, we do have opening for a graphic designer. Males are preferred in this position. The salary package is 1,500 to 3,000 plus accommodation and visa. The same field experience is mandatory. The Indians are preferred for this position, and the work location is in Abu Dhabi.
And if furniture shop requires candidates for sales executive, it is an outdoor position, and it is mandatory that the candidate should have number 3 manual license, and same field experience is also mandatory. The salary package they are offering is 2,500 plus accommodation, commission, and visa. Indians are preferred for this position, and the age category should be below 35, and the work location will be in Ajman. From the mentioned allowances, the car is provided by the company itself, and the petrol allowance is also provided.
Next, we have opening for a sales executive vacancy. Female Philippine candidates are preferred for this position. The salary package is 2,500 to 3,000. The candidate should have at least 1 year of experience in telemarketing field. Soho CRM is an added advantage.
And we need a Kerala cook for a restaurant in Dubai. The salary package is 2,000 plus food and accommodation, and visa will be also provided, and the work location is in Dubai. So the same field experience in UAE itself is mandatory for this candidate. So those who are interested in applying for these positions can come directly to our office.
Our working hours is from morning 9 to evening 7 p.m.
And our office address is also mentioned here.